So we're in this new restaurant that just opened in Miami Gardens. It's called Bamboo Shack, and it's on 183rd and in the Juni's Plaza. It's on 441 and 183rd. Yeah, so far they are mixed. It's a mix of chicken and seafood, and right now we're getting a shot of the kitchen staff. They're doing their best, I think. Everything takes time. The decor is nice and clean. Faint smell of fish. I'm looking at the boards right now, and the menu seems nice, appetizing. Eventually, this board will be their main board, but for now, we're looking at this menu to the side here. And we hope to try the food. I'll let you guys know how good it is, and from there you can pass by and test it out for yourself. That's Bamboo Shack, and it's in the Juni's Plaza for all those in Miami Gardens. And if you are coming to Miami Gardens, you can also, so I'm gonna taste the food, test it out, and make you know. So far the wait is like 15-20 minutes where we wait for food. But I guess it's a startup delay. And as I said, nice decor. Show you the inside of the restaurant. Nice bamboo lighting. And carry outside and showing up outside. Alright. Showing up from outside. How it wanna look. Okay. So that's the, see there? Bamboo Shack, and it's in Miami Gardens. Chicken, conch, fish, lobster, them say. And next time we try it, may I try the food and make it know how it tastes. You see? This is the Bamboo Shack food. Yeah? This one is what? The chicken? Fish burger and chicken burger. Them serve it with ketchup, and them give your ketchup in it and thing. And them squirt the ketchup on the food, the hot sauce and all of that on the food, which I think them could have make you do your own ketchup and thing. Burger fresh, the stuff, them ingredients them look fresh. We stand up and watch them make the food, so we know say the food them sort of made fresh. You want to try it? What do you think about the fries so far?
Well, very soft, and well, it's not hard.
And not tough fries.
It's not tough steel fries. It tastes very fresh and clean and crisp.
Yeah.
But they don't put no salt in it, which is not a bad thing either. Because if you want to add salt, you're fine.
Yeah, they want to salt.
You're,
And if you watch your salt intake.
You're good too.
Okay. How the burger look to you? Appealing wise.
I love it. And them
Wait, name cracked chicken burger.
they do the grill thing with the bun. Love that.
You lift up the lettuce, and you see it's like a chicken tenders type of thing, you know, and it's in the bun and thing. So
Could I put more chicken stuff?
Could I put more chicken? Yeah, you basically get one little piece of chicken. And the weight, I don't like the weight though. I think the weighting was a little bit extensive. You know, for fish and chicken. If it was lobster, you understand? I don't know. That just me. I think the weight was a little bit long. But all in all, it's a Bahamian food store, and I think the people them, the friendliness of the staff, and you know the attentiveness. See the fish there, and I just a fish fillet deep fried with some fresh onion and something, you know. It's better than most. And them open late, you know, them open late till 12 o'clock. And again, most of the food is done to order. So I appreciate that. Because sometimes you don't want fast food where pre-done and put on in some oven or somewhere. You know? Everything made fresh and thing. So me that tell you if you try them, you know, I would recommend them. Especially for the late night munchers, those people who come from you know, wherever you come from, and you want to get some food. Miami Gardens not have no whole heap of late night eateries. So try them. And you want to bite the burger and make me get a chance to, you know? Yeah, bite tonight and tell me how it tastes and you see? Because we try to give them a good review because I know our city them there, you see? See there? Watch it. How it tastes? It up? It up? Yeah, what you say now it tastes good?
Awesome. I love it. The crunchiness of the fish married with the freshness of the bread and the crunchiness of the vegetables.
It's awesome. It's a wee some.
Watch your fish.
Yeah, me see it.
Fresh.
Fresh fish, yeah. Alright, folks. Yeah, so I make sure I one of the first people to give them a review. I do want liquor boy come try the chicken. Try that, bite some other chicken and tell me if it tastes good. Bite the chicken and tell me if it tastes good, youth. Yeah, because we want to give a good review, you know. And I know the main people who I try, please, you see me. Lift up and bite the chicken part. Tell me if you like it. You like it? Or actually you're hungry?
It tastes good.
It tastes good? Never drop everything on the ground, Joshua. Lord Jesus.
It tastes like chicken nuggets.
Him start make everything rain on the ground. It tastes like chicken nuggets. Alright, folks. Yeah. Try it. Bamboo Shack, them name. Miami Gardens. Bamboo Shack Miami. Bahamian restaurant in Miami. Yeah, try them. Food tastes good. I saw the review say. Yardie belly in a foreign. Peace out.